I really like this bench. It has this nice little farmhouse shaker style. Very, very easy for one person to put together. It's pretty solid. I mean, I'm going to use it as a bench. People who are decently heavy will be sitting on it. But I like it so much that I purchased quite a few and turned it into an L-shaped bench because it's very economical and it looks really nice and really blends in with typical shaker decor. Highly recommend it.
That one wanted to come off. You can see it kind of chipping right there. I just left the leg on. And then this one is actually broke. So